So for the granola, you can put quite a bunch of things. Today, let me show you what I'm putting. So I have some nuts here. What I'm using are almonds. I'm going to chop these up. And then I have some cranberries. I also need to chop these up. I have some pumpkin seeds. I have honey, raisins, sunflower seeds, desiccated coconut. I have chocolate chips. I have some oil here, olive oil, and then I have some vanilla essence. I have more raisins here, quite a bit of oats, some brown sugar, although this is optional. I have some salt, and lastly, I have some cinnamon powder. My oven is preheating at 150 degrees centigrade or 300 Fahrenheit. So let's mix this up, and then we put them on a lined baking tray and bake. Simple, delicious, healthy, everything. I buy all my nuts, seeds, and spices from a shop in NGARA in Nairobi called Zasha stores. This one is not a sponsored ad. I just found them, and the prices are way better compared to how I would pay for these things in the supermarket. Yeah, so I'll put the contacts down below. As I said, this is not sponsored. It's just where I shop from. And yeah, I like them. I was especially happy to get cranberries this time because it's rare to find them. And I just love the vibrant red color that they add. For the rest of this year, I'll be doing an extra video every week on Tuesday. And this video is just, I just figured that it would be nice to share my few tips and tricks that I've learned on how to save money, especially in this day and age, because the economy is just being the worst right now. So if this is your kind of content, remember to give us a subscribe and also a thumbs up if you like this video, because it really means a lot to us. So yeah, stay tuned for that series and also our regular videos on Thursdays. And also the reason why I'm doing this is, like with granola, like you would be surprised how much granola goes for in the supermarket. I mean, the cost is just astronomical. Like for 500 grams, you pay for like almost 1,000 shillings. I'm like, 500 grams only? Oh! So yeah, I'm sorry guys, but me, I'd rather make it at home if I can. Next, I'm measuring out the oats, seeds, nuts, and spices and mixing them up. And don't forget the salt. Salt makes everything taste so much better, even sweet things. And don't worry about the measurements. All these recipes, this particular recipe plus its measurement will be on our website, so check it out. Again, I'll link it down below. In a separate pot, I'm mixing in honey, brown sugar. This is very optional, by the way. In fact, I would omit the brown sugar now, knowing what I know now. But yeah, if you want, you can add some brown sugar. It adds a nice nutty taste to it. And vanilla essence, and bringing this to a boil until they're well incorporated. Then I'll pour the wet mixture into the oats mixture and mix until thoroughly combined. It may look loose now, but it sticks together once it's baked in the oven. next thing is to pour all this mixture onto a lined baking tray and pat it down to make it easier to stick to each other. So that's what I'm doing here with the spatula. And then I'm going to put it into the preheated oven for 20 minutes. Remove it and flip it over to ensure that it cooks evenly, because you want it to be a nice golden brown color. See how nicely this has browned. Oh my goodness, I love this. You know, I saw someone say on Instagram that granola is more of a dessert than a breakfast meal. Do you agree with this? Because, I mean, it has all these yummy sweet things, but I think because it has oats, we just assume that it's a breakfast thing. I don't know. You tell me. Let me know what you think. It goes extremely well when sprinkled over ice cream. This is one thing we love to do when we have made a big batch of granola. So good, let me tell you. The crunch versus the softness of the ice cream. It is so good. And it doesn't take long, saves me so much money, keeps well on a shelf for like 2 months, or you can freeze it for definitely longer than, even almost a year, longer than 6 months to a year. It will keep well in your freezer. And today I've decided to serve my granola with my homemade Greek yogurt for a delicious pre-made breakfast. This is something I love doing because then the breakfast can just stay in the fridge and I'll grab it and go whenever I'm running late. And to make your own Greek yogurt is so easy. Check out this video over here and I'll see you over there. Bye.